Namaste beloved friends, welcome back to Beyond Traveling. Today I am going to discuss about the 8th technique from Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. So this 8th technique is very similar to the first technique of this text. So in the first technique what we learn, just watching our breath, the incoming and outgoing breath. Don't change the breath, just watching the breath, whatever is the breath is, maybe fast, maybe slow, maybe very deep. You are just watching the breath and you are making your center on 2 point. So the breath is going up and down, and there is 1 point where there is no breath. When you inhale, the breath is moving down, and at the 1 point, this point somewhere deep, the breath is stopped. There is no inhalation, no exhalation. Then the breath changes, going up, again exhaling, and again at 1 point when you exhale completely, then at this point there is no breath. The complete stoppage of the breath happen at that time. So in the first technique we learned this method, just watching the breath at 2 point. Okay, so in this technique, the 8th technique, what we are going to learn, we are learning the devotion. So whenever you take inhale, whenever you exhale, you are feeling yourself that this body is a temple. This is not a mechanical technique, this is not a very rough technique, this is very juicy. This is the technique for Bhakti Marg. With the utmost devotion, you have to inhale and exhale. So what happens when you practice any technique, you become very rigid, very stiff, very mechanical. But when you practice this 8th technique, you just focusing your inhalation and exhalation and just feeling that you are a divine. The energy, the breath, the inhalation is coming in this temple, in this body, and exhalation happen from this temple out. So you are just feeling, this is just a feeling, the devotion. You are full with this juice of the life. You are not doing the things mechanical, but you are just feeling that you are a divine being. This is the temple, and you are bringing this breath into this temple, and the breath is going out from this temple. So this very simple technique, just a little modification, that you are breathing in and out with a feeling of devotion. And devotion is not something like blind faith. There is difference between the blind faith and devotion. In blind faith, you don't know anything and you are just believing in something. But in devotion, you know that there is something higher energy above us. There is some cosmos, there is some divine energy outside of us, which is helping us, which is giving us this life, this all the facilities, this breath we are getting from that divine energy. Our body is growing because of that divine energy. So somewhere, we don't know where this divine energy is, but there is somewhere this powerful divine energy is there. It's this energy is present everywhere. This energy is present in me, this is in you also, this is everywhere, in all living and non-living beings. This energy is there. You just have to bring your consciousness, just bring your awareness more into yourself, that yes, I am taking this breath and the breath is going out, breath is happening in and out, but with this small point of devotion. So this is very important, this part, devotion is very important. When you are bringing this devotion in your life, the life will start changing. You will feel more connected to the outside world. You will feel more connected to this cosmos. You are more feeling more connected with the nature. So just bringing the devotion in your practice. Whenever you inhale, whenever you exhale, just bring this pure devotion in yourself, and you really feel that change. You try the first technique, the first method, which is not devotion, which is complete scientific method. But when you try this 8th method with scientific, with the devotion, you will feel the amazing effect. You just try, you just experiment on yourself. You will feel the difference in both the techniques. So this technique number is 8 is more juicy technique, more filling with the life, with this awareness, with this creativity. So in the beginning, what you can do, you just closing the eyes and you just inhale. You don't make the natural inhalation and exhalation, you make something like active inhalation. You make inhale deeply and exhale completely using the nose, and whenever you inhale deeply, you feel that the divine energy is going inside, and when you exhale, you feel that the divine energy is going out. When you inhale, you feel that this body, this temple is energizing with this divine energy, and when you exhale, feel that all the goodness, all the happiness, all the joy from within you is going out. So you, in the beginning, you make some deep inhale and exhale, not directly jumping into the main technique. You just inhale deeply with the devotion and exhale completely with the devotion. So just bringing your breath more deeper, more in an active way, not in the passive way. And after that, after practicing this active inhalation and active exhalation, you start doing the technique passively. You just sit and just watch the natural breathing, just watch the incoming and outgoing breath, but with the feeling of devotion. So devotion is not something which you can get in the temples, which you can get in the gurdwaras, which you can get in outside. It is from within. It is from this heart. When you feel the devotion, you will feel this opening of your heart. You will feel not closed, you feel like open. Something is open. When just bringing the devotion in your life, it will change. Your life will change definitely, and the love will grow in your life, the compassion will grow in your life. The more creative you will become, the more divine you will become, just putting the devotion in your practice. So this is not a blind faith, but this is the actual. You are believing in something, you are knowing that something is there, some energy, some higher power is there. So just practice this technique with the devotion, with loving, with kindness, and see you in the next video in different technique of Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. So take care, spread the love, joy and happiness in this entire universe. Take care, be full of the devotion.